गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। तो आज स्टार्ट करेंगे हम बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन एमसीक्यूज। एमसीक्यूज वन बाय वन करेंगे। मोर देन 100 एमसीक्यूज हम करेंगे कुछ ही समय में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एनिमल्स वर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू ग्रुप्स बेसिंग ऑन द प्रेजेंस और द एब्सेंस ऑफ रेड ब्लड बाय। फर्स्ट, थियोफ्रेस्टस, एरिस्टोटल, लीनियस और प्लेटो। गिव योर आंसर्स, टेक योर टाइम. Answer is Aristotle. That's good. Two kingdom classification was proposed by Buhin, Aristotle, Linnaeus, or Eichler. Yes, absolutely right. It is Linnaeus. Then the following is not correct about two kingdom classification. It failed to distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, did not distinguish between plants and animals, did not differentiate it between autotrophs and heterotrophs, then could not differentiate unicellular and multicellular organisms. So right answer, did not distinguish between plants and the animals. The only character that defined the whole plant kingdom into two kingdom classification is autotrophic nature, heterotrophic nature, presence of cell wall or presence of chloroplast. Answer is presence of cell wall. That's good, because cell wall के basis पर उनको divide किया गया था. Autotrophs are not found in Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae. Autotrophs are not found. Autotrophs जो अपना food खुद बनाएंगे, they are not found in the fungi because fungi are the saprophytes. So, five kingdom classification was proposed by R. Virchow, Rudolf Virchow, R. H. Whittaker, Haeckel, or Linnaeus. Yes, the right answer is R. H. Whittaker. Fungi were placed in a separate kingdom by Eichler, Whittaker, Linnaeus, or Haeckel. Yes, it is Whittaker. That's good. Now, monerans include bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi and lichens, और all prokaryotes. Monerans आपके होते हैं prokaryotic and unicellular organisms. Yes, all prokaryotes. Monerans especially live in most harshy habitats are Eubacteria, Archaebacteria, Mycoplasmas, or Actinomycetes. Yes, the right answer is Archaeobacteria. And Archaebacteria. Archaebacterias are also called extremophiles because the extreme conditions or harsh habitats में survive करते हैं. Which of the following is not found in a moneran? DNA, ribosome, enzymes, or mitochondria? The right answer is mitochondria. That's good. Because monerans या bacterias या prokaryotes के अंदर आपको कभी भी membrane bound organelles नहीं मिलते हैं. Next, methanogens are responsible for the production of alcohol, acetic acid, biogas, or curd. Methanogens, yes, it is biogas. Biogas production में methanogens का use किया जाता है. The features responsible for the survival of Archaebacteria in extreme conditions is, जो हमारे एक्सट्रीमोफाइल्स हैं, आर्कियाबैक्टीरियाज हैं, वो किन कंडीशंस में, जो हार्श कंडीशंस हैं उनमें सर्वाइव करेंगे, तो उसका रीज़न क्या है, क्या चीज़ है जो उन्हें उस सर्वाइवल के लिए एडेप्टेबल बनाती है. सेल वॉल विद पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन, सेल वॉल कंटेन pseudomurine, cell membrane contain branched chain lipids, or production of methane. That's good. The right answer is cell membrane contain branched chain lipids. The type of Archaebacteria found in the gut of ruminant animals like cows and buffaloes. Ruminant animals हम उन animals को कहते हैं जो grazing animals हैं. उनको ruminant animals इसलिए बोलते हैं because they have rumen. Rumen एक specific part है जिसमें फूड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जाता है, देन वहाँ पे सेलुलोज डाइजेस्ट करने वाले बैक्टीरियाज आपको मिलते हैं, देन जो आपके बफेलोज हैं, काउज हैं, वो कडलिंग करते हैं। कडलिंग को हिंदी में हम जुगाली भी कहते हैं। जब वो कडलिंग करते हैं देन उनके सेलुलोज का डाइजेशन होता है और उस कडलिंग के बाद वो फूड को ट्रू स्टमक में लेकर जाते हैं। सबसे पहले वो उस फूड को अपने रूमेन में भरते हैं, इसके बाद वो उसे कडलिंग के बाद ट्रू स्टमक में लेकर जाते हैं। So examples are halophiles, options are halophiles, thermoacidophiles, methanogens or lactogens. Yes, the right answer is methanogens. Then the organisms which can thrive well under extreme environmental conditions such as absence of oxygen, high salt concentration or high temperature. They are slime molds, archaebacteria, dinoflagellates or actinomycetes. Yes, you are right. The right answer is archaebacteria. इनको आपने extremophiles भी कहा था. The group of organisms that show most extensive metabolic diversity is algae, fungi, viruses, bacteria. Yes, you are right. It is bacteria. Because bacterias अलग अलग conditions में survive करेंगे. They are universal. आपको हर जगह मिलेंगे, हर तरह के habitats में मिलेंगे. तो इनकी जो metabolism है, इनकी जो metabolic diversity है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, pectin, cellulose और polyhydrobutyrate. Yes, the right answer is peptidoglycan, जिसमें नेग और नेम की सब यूनिट्स होती हैं. नेग is the N-acyl neg, NAG, neg. Neg is N-acyl glucosamine and nem is N-acyl murmuric acid. The cell wall material of bacteria is not referred as peptidoglycan, murine, mucopeptide or polyhydroxybutyrate. Yeah, polyhydroxybutyrate. Then the enfolding of the cell membrane of the bacteria are called. जिस तरह से हमारे जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाज में इनफोल्डिंग्स होती हैं उनकी इनर मेम्ब्रेन में, वैसे ही कुछ जो इनफोल्डिंग्स हैं बैक्टीरियाज के अंदर भी मिलती हैं. Then these enfoldings are called lysosomes, mesosomes, plasmosomes and idiosomes. Yeah, the right answer is mesosomes. That's good. In bacteria, DNA is referred as naked due to not enveloped by the pellicle, not enveloped by true nuclear membrane, absence of backbone, or single-stranded nature. Yes, the right answer is not enveloped by true nuclear membrane. Locomotory structures in bacteria are cilias, pseudopodias, flagella, and whiptails. Yeah, the right answer is flagella. फ्लैजेला के बेसिस पर हम बैक्टीरिया को क्लासिफाई भी करते हैं. आपने पढ़ा है मोनोट्राइकस मतलब सिंगल बैक्टीरिया, लोफोट्राइकस अगर एक तरफ हमारे पास कई फ्लैजेलास होते हैं, देन एम्फीट्राइकस अगर दोनों ही तरफ, दोनों ही पोल्स पे, दोनों ही साइड्स पे अगर फ्लैजेलास प्रेजेंट है, इट इज कॉल्ड एम्फीट्राइकस. और अगर चारों तरफ फ्लैजेलास प्रेजेंट है, इट इज कॉल्ड पेरीट्राइकस. तो फ्लैजेला के नंबर एंड फ्लैजेला की प्रेजेंस के बेसिस पर भी हम बैक्टीरिया को क्लासिफाई करते हैं. Which of the following statements is correct? All bacteria are autotrophic. All bacteria are heterotrophic. All bacteria are photosynthetic, or some bacteria are autotrophic and some are heterotrophic. Yes, some bacteria are autotrophic and some are heterotrophic. जैसे आपने पढ़ा है about the cyanobacteria, BGA, blue-green algae, they can form their own food, so they are autotrophic and some are heterotrophic bacteria. Which one of the following is said to be an omnipresent organism? Omnipresent organism का मतलब है जो हर जगह present है, जो हर जगह मिलते हैं. Algae, bryophytes, bacteria और gymnosperms. Yes, absolutely right. It is bacteria because you can find the bacterias everywhere. ये आपको प्लांट्स के ऊपर भी मिलेंगे, एनिमल्स में मिलेंगे, एनिमल्स के ऊपर मिलेंगे, सॉइल में, एयर में, वाटर में, हर जगह आपको बैक्टीरियाज मिलते हैं. That's why they are called omnipresent. Then asexual reproduction structure in bacteria is known as akinete, exospore, endospore or heterocyst. I am asking about the asexual reproduction structure, or you can say asexual reproductive structures. Yeah, it is endospore. Then the most primitive organism showing oxygenic photosynthesis is bacteria, cyanobacteria, ferns, mosses. It is cyanobacteria. Water blooms of polluted water bodies are often formed by green algae, brown algae, blue-green algae means BGA, or chlorobacteria. Water blooms, it is because of blue-green algae. The specialized cell found in blue-green algae meant for nitrogen fixation are echinids, hormogonia, heterocysts, or chlamydospores. Right answer is heterocyst. That's good. Because nitrogen fix करने के बाद वो heterocyst में store करेंगे. Find the organism that doesn't belong to cyanobacteria: chlorella, nostoc, anabina, and spirulina. Yes, the right answer is chlorella. Hormogonia formed during asexual reproduction of cyanobacteria are a type of echinids, aplanospores, fragments, and endospores. Yes, these are called fragments. The red color of Red Sea is due to the presence of red algae, trichomes of nostoc, Trichodesmium, erythrium, or Corynebacterium. Yes, the right answer is Trichodesmium. That's good. Cyanobacteria are chemoautotrophs, chemoheterotrophs, photoheterotrophs, or photoautotrophs. Cyanobacterias. These are photoautotrophs because they can form their own food in the presence of sunlight because they have chlorophyll A. The type of organisms that play a great role in recycling nutrients is photosynthesis, chemosynthesis, pathogenic, or symbiotic. Yeah, the right answer is chemosynthesis. That's good. Which is bloom in plants is caused by bacteria, mycoplasmas, fungi, or viroids. It is a disease caused by mycoplasmas. That's nice. The disease caused by mycoplasma in humans is hepatitis, urethritis, arthritis, or tetanus. Yeah, the right answer is urethritis. That's good. The cell wall of actinomycetes contain muric acid, mycolic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid. Yes, it is mycolic acid. That's good. Which is not an actinomycetes member among the following: Mycobacteria, Corynebacteria, then Streptomyces, or Trichodesmium. Yeah, the right answer is Trichodesmium. That's good. The kingdom without well-defined boundaries among the constituent organism is Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi. It is Protista because they don't have well-defined boundaries. Protista include all unicellular organisms, all unicellular prokaryotes, all prokaryotes, all unicellular eukaryotes. Yeah, all unicellular eukaryotes because they have single cell and they are eukaryotes. That's why all unicellular eukaryotes are in the category of the Protista in kingdom Protista. Desmids, desmids का नेम सुना है हमने. Desmids are known as brown algae, golden algae, green algae, or red algae. That's good. Golden algae. हमने chrysophytes भी पढ़ा हुआ है. Diatoms and desmids come under euglenoids, dinoflagellates, chrysophytes, and slime molds. तो हिंट तो आपको मिल ही गया था. It is chrysophytes. Then the protists that are chief producers in oceans are chief producers जो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन करेंगे, फूड को फिक्स करेंगे, CO2 को फिक्स करेंगे. They are euglenoids, diatoms, slime molds, and dinoflagellates? Yes, the right answer is diatoms. That's good. Then, rejuvenatory sexual spores formed by diatoms are known as zoospores, oxospores, echinates, aplanospores. Yes, the right answer is oxospores. That's good. Then, Kieselguhr, the gritty soil used in polishing, filtration of oils and syrups is obtained from diatoms, desmids, dinoflagellates or slime molds. Yes, diatoms. आपने पढ़ा है about the chrysophytes. Then diatoms are divided into two types based on methods of asexual reproduction, structural symmetry, formation of gametes, or methods of sexual reproduction. Yes, the right answer is structural symmetry. The protists called as whirling whips are chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, or slime molds. Yes, the right answer is dinoflagellates. The nucleus of dinoflagellate is called prokaryon, mesokaryon, heterokaryon, or dikaryon. It is mesokaryon. That's good. Marine dinoflagellate with bioluminescence is bioluminescence का मतलब होता है glare करना. So it is Nightella, Nostoc, Noctiluca, and Neurospora. Yes, it is Noctiluca. जो glare करते हैं, चमकते हैं रात में. It is the character. It is called bioluminescence. Red tides in Mediterranean Sea are due to rapid multiplication of Gracilaria, Goniologus, Noctiluca, or Gelidium. Yes, the right answer is Goniologus. Then cytostome, cytopharynx, and reservoir are the parts found in the cells of all protist, euglenoids, prokaryotes, or chrysophytes. The right answer is euglenoids. Pamela stage is found in diatoms, desmids, euglenoids, amoeba. Yes, it is euglena. And you know very well about the euglena. Euglena is the link between plants and animals. तो जब सनलाइट मिलती है they can form their own food और जब सनलाइट नहीं मिलेगी they are heterotrophs. The outer coat of euglena is called as cuticle, pericarp, shell or pellicle. Yes, it is pellicle. An organism which is connecting link between animals and plants is, चलिए इसका तो आपको हिंट मिल चुका है, वायरस, अमीबा, यूग्लिना एंड नॉक्टिल्यूका. डेफिनेटली इट इज यूग्लिना. Light sensitive structure of euglenoids is flagellum, eye spot, pyrenoid or cytostome. Light sensitive structure is eye spot. The aggregations formed by slime molds under suitable conditions is called as pamela, mesokaryon, pellicle or plasmodium. It is plasmodium. तो ये जो एग्रीगेशंस बनते हैं ये सुटेबल कंडीशंस में प्लाज्मोडियम बनाते हैं और एडवर्स कंडीशंस में ये स्पोर्स फॉर्म कर देते हैं. The protists believed to be primitive relatives of animals are slime molds, protozoans, euglenoids or fungi. Yeah, it is protozoans because protozoans को हम एनिमल किंगडम का एक प्रिमिटिव रिलेटिव भी मानते हैं. Then, parasitic amoeboid protozoan of the following: amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium or entamoeba histolytica. Yes, the right answer is entamoeba histolytica. Sleeping sickness is caused by entamoeba, trypanosoma, plasmodium or paramecium. Yeah, answer is trypanosoma. The parasite that causes sleeping sickness is amoeboid protozoan, flagellated protozoan, ciliated protozoan or sporozoan. It is flagellated protozoan. Plasmodium The malarial parasite is a sporozoan, ciliated protozoan, flagellated protozoan or amoeboid protozoan. Plasmodium आपने पढ़ा है, इट इज स्पोरोजोन. प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवेक्स पढ़ा है हम लोगों ने, कॉमन है. देन जो मलेरिया कॉज करेगा, द ओनली नॉन मोटाइल प्रोटोजोन्स आर अमीबॉइड्स, सीलिएट्स, फ्लैजिलेट्स और स्पोरोजोन्स. Non-motile means they cannot move from one place to another place. They are sporozoans because amoeboids have pseudopodias, ciliates have cilias, and flagellates have the flagellas. So they can move with the help of pseudopodia, cilia and flagella. But sporozoans के अंदर कोई भी इस तरह का ऐसा organ या structure नहीं होता जिसके थ्रू वो move कर पाए. The thread-like basic structural elements of fungus: hyphae, filament, mycelium और pseudoparenchyma. It is hyphae. Thread-like structure जो है it is called hyphae और जब इसका network बन जाता है it is called mycelium. Then Phycomycetes parasitic fungus that grows on mustard is Mucor, Rhizopus, Albugo or Aspergillus niger. It is Albugo. Mycorrhiza are the fruiting bodies of Basidiomycetes, mutualistic associations of plant roots and fungi, mutualistic associations of algae and fungi, asexual structures formed by the Deuteromycetes. Mycorrhiza, because myco term is used for the fungi and rhiza term is used for the roots. So mycorrhiza is mutualistic association of plant roots and the fungi. In fungi, the food material is stored in the form of sugar and oil, starch and protein, glycogen and oil, or proteins and the fats. Yeah, it is glycogen and oil. That's good. Fungus without any mycelium is Buxenia, Agaricus, Albugo, or Saccharomyces. It is Saccharomyces cerevisiae or Saccharomyces. The group of organisms with an intervening dikaryotic phase in their life cycle are algae, fungi, bacteria, or protist. Yes, it is fungi. The enzyme which is responsible for fermentation secreted by the yeast is urease, aldolase, zymase और sucrase. आप fermentation करते हैं घर में, बहुत सारे हम ऐसे products यूज करते हैं जो fermentation से बनते हैं. हम yeast यूज करते हैं Saccharomyces cerevisiae, इसको baker's yeast भी कहते हैं, brewer's yeast भी कहते हैं. तो कौन सा enzyme है? It is zymase. That's good. Ascomycetes are commonly known as algal fungi, sec fungi, bracket fungi, or imperfect fungi. It is sec fungi because sec-like structures are found in the Ascomycetes. Unicellular sec fungus among the following is Mucor, mushroom, yeast, penicillium. It is yeast. That's good. Ascomycetes member used extensively in biochemical and genetic work is Aspergillus, claviceps, Penicillium, Neurospora. Yes, the right answer is Neurospora. Then Basidiomycetes are commonly known as sec fungi, club fungi, algal fungi, or imperfect fungi. Yes, the right answer is club fungi. That's good. The fruiting body where the asci containing ascocarps are completely enclosed within a wall is termed as apothecium, ascocarp, then cleistothecium or perithecium. Yes, the right answer is cleistothecium. The fruiting body of club fungi is called ascocarp, apothecium, basidiocarp or perithecium. Yes, the right answer is basidiocarp. That's good. In Agaricus, the structure in which reductional division or reduction division takes place is basidium, basidiospore, ascus, or ascogonium. The right answer is basidium. Agaricus पढ़ते हैं हम लोग mushroom. Then, which of the following group is not comprised of sac fungi? Morels, mushrooms, yeast, or truffles? Yes, it is mushrooms. That's good. Asexual spores are generally not found in the following fungi: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, or Deuteromycetes. Basidiomycetes is the right answer. That's good. Number of spores produced by each basidium: 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's good. It is 4. Basidiospores are mitospores, asexual spores, meiospores, or meiocytes. That's good. It is meiospores. Deuteromycetes are commonly known as sac fungi, imperfect fungi, club fungi, or puffballs. It is imperfect fungi. That's good. The asexual spores produced by Deuteromycetes are known as conidia, basidia, zoospores, echinids. The right answer is conidia. That's good. Imperfect fungus वो है जिसमें sexual reproduction नहीं होता. Imperfect fungus that causes early blight in plants is albugo, alternaria, agaricus, or ustilgo. It is alternaria. That's nice. रेड रॉट ऑफ शुगर केन इज कॉज बाय. कभी कभी आप शुगर केन पर देखते हैं रेड रॉट, कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स आते हैं रेड कलर के जो वेन्स की फॉर्म में होते हैं, तो वो किसकी वजह से होंगे? पक्सीनिया, स्टिल्गो, देन कोलेटोट्राइकम और ट्राइकोडर्मा. इट इज कोलेटोट्राइकम. दैट्स गुड. रेड रॉट पैथोजन बिलोंग्स टू द क्लास फाइकोमाइसेटिस, एस्कोमाइसेटिस, Basidiomycetes, or Deuteromycetes. The right answer is Deuteromycetes. That's good. Bladder worm, a bladder wort, and Venus flytrap are the examples of as parasitic plants, saprophytic plants, insectivorous plants, or symbionts. That's nice. Answer is insectivorous plants. Cuscata is a parasite, saprophyte, symbiont और ग्रीन फोटोसिंथेसिस. देखिए हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है कि कुछ इस तरह के प्लांट्स होते हैं जो पैरासिटिक होते हैं. सो इट इज पैरासाइट. दैट्स गुड. द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स इज फोटोऑटोट्रॉफिक, सैप्रोफिटिक, होलोजोइक एंड कीमोऑटोट्रॉफिक. That's good. It is holozoic. We will do 101 questions. Now, 6 kingdom classification was proposed by. देखिए आपने 5 kingdom classification पढ़ा था. It was given by the Whitaker. Then 6 kingdom classification is given by Carl Linnaeus, Carl Woese, Carl Lewis, or Karl Marx. Yeah, it is Carl Woese. The marker used by Carl Woese for studying evolutionary relationship is single-stranded DNA, transfer RNA, 16S rRNA or ribosomal RNA, or mRNA messenger RNA. It is 16S ribosomal RNA. The number of main categories or domains of 6 kingdom classification is 6, 4, 2, or 3. It is 3. That's good. The name virus was given by Whitaker, Pasteur, Linnaeus, और Theodiner. वायरस को नेम किसने दिया था? It was Pasteur, Louis Pasteur. The protein coat of virus is called core, capsule, capsid, or calyptra. It is capsid. That's nice. Viroids were discovered by Pasteur, Carl Woese, Theodiner, and Whitaker. It is Theodiner. Potato spindle tuber disease was caused by lichens, viroids, prions, fungi. Yes, it is viroids. The infectious agent that possesses only proteins but not nucleic acid are viruses, viroids, prions, or lichens. Infectious agent is prion because they are the misfolded proteins. Then scurvy disease of sheep and mad cow disease are caused by virions, viroids, prions, or lichens. Yeah, it is prions, misfolded proteins. Lichens are the symbionts formed by the associated of algae and mosses, algae and ferns, algae and fungi, and algae and higher plants. It is algae and fungi because it is the association of algae and fungi, and they are also called pollution indicators because they don't grow in the polluted areas. Sex organs are absent in the members of Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, or all the above. It is Basidiomycetes. That's good. Carl Woese observed that the six kingdoms naturally cluster into three domains are, आपने three domains पढ़े हैं, archaea, cyanobacteria, eukarya, bacteria, archaea, eukarya, bacteria, archaea and cyanobacteria, archaea, cyanobacteria and bacteria. Yes, the right answer is bacteria, archaea and eukarya. देखिए बैक्टीरिया में सारे आपके प्रोकैरियोट्स आते हैं, आर्किया, एक्सट्रीमोफाइल्स एंड यूकैरिया, ऑल यूकैरियोट्स. ये जो डोमेन्स हैं ये किंगडम से भी बड़ा क्लासिफिकेशन होता है. In Whitaker's five kingdom classification, eukaryotes were assigned to all the five kingdoms, four of the five kingdoms, two of the five kingdoms, or only one of the five kingdoms. Four of the five kingdom because first kingdom is bacteria. For the bacterias, it is called Monera. So Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. So four kingdoms हमारे पास हुए. First is Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. These are the eukaryotes, and one Monera is the prokaryote. Animal characters in Euglena are presence of pellicle, which is made up of proteins and not of cellulose, presence of contractile vacuole, presence of photosynthetic pigments, or both 1 and 2. ऐसा कौन सा character है जो animals का है? It is both 1 and 2. Means presence of contractile vacuole, then presence of pellicle, which is made up of proteins and not of cellulose. Which pair of the following belongs to Basidiomycetes? Puffballs and claviceps, Peziza and stinkhorns, rust, smoot and puffballs, birds, nest fungi and puffballs. It is rust, smoot and puffball. That's good. Black rust of wheat is a fungal disease caused by. It is Melamspora linea, Claviceps purpurea, Albugo candida, and Puccinia graminis. The right answer is Puccinia graminis. So now आज हमने 101 questions किए हैं. So now thank you so much to